This exercise is for the top of the shins. We're going to take our foam roller here and we're going to focus on the shin muscle called our tibialis anterior. So we're going to go ahead and go onto it this way. And what you're going to do is you want to get the outside of the lower leg here. So we're going to tilt your leg this way. So you're going to tilt it towards your pinky toe. So as you come on the foam roller here, you want to lean in towards the pinky toe, and then you're just going to go ahead and go up and down. If you feel like you need a little bit more weight through this, you can go ahead and bring the other leg and help to work up and down that shin. As you find a tender spot, you just want to hang out on there, let it loosen up. Usually takes about a minute or two. And then once that loosens up, you're gonna go ahead and work your way down. So you wanna work all the way up and down that shin. And those are some exercises to help you out with your shin splints. If your symptoms continue to persist, please consult your medical professional.